open the flap. I mean, look how exposed you are to elements. I mean, it's difficult to do. I mean, it just blows up. That's just the elements coming in. So you have to close it off. But it's not strong enough. The Velcro needs to be all the way across. I mean, it might be that I'll have to mod this myself, because that's not good enough. Nowhere near. One little patch of Velcro. See, there you go, it's come off. Good morning from the Black Mountains. An absolutely gorgeous spot for a camp. I've had a lovely night, but the purpose of this little video is to show you the mods I've made to the Stormgrotta 2P. So if you've seen previous videos, you knew I had a concern about this flap in the extreme winds going open, exposing the inner of the tent. So I've added this little bit of elastic, and this wasn't the original purpose of this elastic. I'll show you, but having that little elastic there looped round the bar that holds the vent open means that when you do have the vent open, like so, that you can then have this elastic just around the peg at the bottom here. If I can just leave that on one-handed. So that just keeps that taut. In fact, yeah. So that, I've had that vent open all night, not an issue. But that wasn't the original purpose of the elastic. Haha! You are wondering, what was the original purpose? Well, I will show you. So let's go to the inside of the tent. Excuse the mess. So the original purpose was this. So imagine it's blowing a right hoolie like it was on a previous video. I was concerned about this little one square of Velcro not being enough to hold it. Anyway, so this original, sorry, not the original, but this piece of elastic that I have now attached was to go around that. It's so hard to do this. It's to go around that little, can't do it one-handed. Try again. Let's go around that little toggle there, which I'm not doing very well one-handed. Right, there you go. So that's attached to that, and then that pulls that, the bottom of this tent, up, which is then when you have that pressed down, which you can't do. See what I mean? If you have this taut, that it's away from that and that's flapping around. So let's, there you go. And then you'd probably want that peg a little bit further in. Just so. If it was really blowing a hoolie. So it just supports having that Velcro attached because you've got this tautness here. Now, on the other side, I've added a toggle. So I've got the same thing going on, but if it's really bad, I've got a toggle. Again, I can't do this one-handed. I can do it one-handed. There you go. So that's toggled shut. So if you wanted this, you know, you want to stop it flapping around in the wind, but that toggle will keep that closed. And yeah, I'm no great seamstress, as I've said, but that is just with a bit of elastic, just stitched, and I've not even gone through the fabric of the tent. I've just scooped it through the Velcro, and then on this one where I've attached the loop, if you can see, the Velcro, look at my great stitching, overhangs the tent material, which means I've not had to go through the tent material at all. So I know it looks a bit rough and ready, and if I'd got more skill and care, it would look better, but that's good enough for me. And I can always redo it because I haven't touched the fabric as a tent, as I say, so I can go over it again. Right, can I do this one-handed? Come here, tent. See, the thing is, I'm doing it one-handed, and I am left-handed, so I'm doing this with my right hand. So there you go. That's holding that vent open. And then if I go round, to the inside, I can then just pull that. If I was shutting it, pull it tight like that. It just keeps that flap below the inside of the tent. So I am happy with that. Super happy, because my concerns of the tent have now been abated, and it's back to being a great bargain. $2.50. Sports Pursuits, get yours now. Look at that view. It's starting to brighten out. Lovely. To me, that is working a treat. The rain is pouring off that vent's lid. It's being pulled down taut. So it's not going anywhere near the inside. And I didn't even consider that part of the mod until I was here in the field, as it were. I was just more concerned about that piece of elastic off that bar, coming up here, pulling it up tight. I'm dead chuffed with that. So it's like almost all my concerns about this tent, if the weather just gets up like it has this morning, that I'm not going to get rain inside that tent through this see-through part of the mesh into my pockets. I'm absolutely chuffed with it. Anyway, kettle's boiling, coffee's brewing. Catch you later.